Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys if you were confused about how to submit your Meet the Artist page, a quick video so you could see how to do that. So here are the instructions. Assuming you've already finished your page, you're going to go to our slideshow. And then just like we did with the first assignment, you're going to go up to this little plus sign. You're going to make a new slide. Where it says title, you're going to put your name. And then you're going to go to Insert, Images. You're going to go to the camera. And now you can see me. And you're going to hold up your Meet the Artist page. Blah, 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 blah. So I know you did it. Make sure I can actually see your thing. Take a picture. If you don't want to put yourself in the picture, that's totally fine. You can just do your assignment. Make it nice and big so I can see it. And then Google automatically saves it for you, so you are done. Once you have it up here, it is submitted. Your project has been submitted, so you are done with the assignment. All right, have fun.